If you use an iPhone but keep your contacts in your Google account, syncing them ensures your contact list stays updated everywhere. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync Google Contacts with your iPhone so any changes you make are available across all your devices. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps, then Contacts, followed by Contacts Accounts. If your Google account isn't already listed, tap Add Account and choose Google. Sign in with the Google account where your contacts are stored. Next, after signing in, you'll see several sync options. Make sure the Contacts switch is turned on. This allows your Google Contacts to sync with the Contacts app on your iPhone. If you want new contacts created on your iPhone to be saved directly to your Google account, go back to the Contacts settings, tap Default Account, and choose your Google account. Now open the Contacts app and give it a few moments to finish syncing. Your Google Contacts should begin appearing automatically in your contact list. To make sure everything is working correctly, create a new contact in Google Contacts on your computer. So wait a moment, then reopen the Contacts app on your iPhone. The new contact should appear automatically. If your contacts still aren't showing up, check your internet connection, make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account, and verify that the Contacts sync option is enabled. Restarting your iPhone or reopening the Contacts app can also help refresh the synchronization process. And that's it. You now know how to sync Google Contacts with your iPhone. Once everything is configured, your contacts will stay updated automatically across all your connected devices. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.